Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Check the case LED and confirm each AirPod shows at least 20% charge because low power causes connection failures. Once done, make sure your phone or laptop Bluetooth is on and within a few feet, and if you've paired before, forget the device to reset pairing data. Then inspect the case hinge and speaker meshes, lint and debris block contacts and audio. Use a soft, dry brush to clear ports gently. This restores charging and sound continuity without damage. Next, you execute the reset and repair routine. Place both AirPods in the case and close it for 30 seconds to stabilize contacts. Then open the lid and press the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber and then white. This clears firmware pairing states. After that, go to your device Bluetooth settings, select the AirPods from the list or follow the on-screen pairing animation and confirm connection. This sequence often resolves software-level pairing conflicts and imperfect handshakes. Finish by verifying audio and hardware. Check accessibility settings for balance or mono audio that might mute one side, because software tweaks sometimes mask hardware issues. Make sure your phone or computer has the latest OS and that the AirPods firmware is up to date. Updates fix connectivity glitches. If one bud stays dead, reseat it in the case and try different charging orientations. Misaligned pins often cause no charge faults. If problems persist after these steps, contact official support for service options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.